Hello and welcome to the BayPay Forum's daily news podcast. I'm Lisa, here to bring you the latest in payments and fintech. This episode is proudly sponsored by payacademy.com, your leading online resource for learning about the payments and fintech industry, anytime, anywhere, with over 220 courses at your fingertips. Let's dive into today's top stories. Token.io and Santander UK collaborate to expand open banking payment options. Token.io has partnered with Santander UK to use Token.io's open banking technology and infrastructure to enhance Santander's customer experiences and create real-time payment solutions. Emerge secures $7.3 million in Series A funding round. New Zealand-based fintech company Emerge has announced that it secured approximately $7.3 million in a Series A funding round. Neonomics introduces Nello, a personal finance manager app. Neonomics has introduced a new product suite called Nello, aimed at elevating open banking through AI-driven solutions and simplified payment experiences. AperiData unveils an open banking-powered credit score. AperiData, an open banking credit bureau, has announced the launch of AperiScore, which will enable lenders to optimize how they score applicants. Exact partners with Rabobank for short-term working capital. Exact has announced its partnership with Rabobank in order to provide entrepreneurs and businesses with short-term working capital securely and easily. Compare the Market integrates Capital One UK into its comparison services. Credit card provider Capital One UK has joined the Compare the Market's money platform to access a larger client base and enable better lending decisions. Rabobank joins IBOS Association. Rabobank, based in the Netherlands, has become the latest IBOS Association (IBOS) member, scaling geographic coverage in Europe for other member banks within the organization. Deutsche Bank launches DBX. Germany-based financial institution Deutsche Bank has announced the launch of DBX, intending to advance the capabilities of its integrated correspondent banking ecosystem. Flutterwave and ninjahotel.com launch POS system. Flutterwave, a fintech solution provider, has established a partnership with ninjahotel.com to launch a point-of-sale (POS) system aimed at improving hotel management in Nigeria. Aspire obtains in-principle approval for the MPI license from Moss. Singapore-based all-in-one finance platform Aspire has announced that it secured its in-principle approval (IPA) for the Major Payment Institution (MPI) license from the Monetary Authority of Singapore (MAS). Cash-free payments rolls out NPCI-certified UPI switch. Cash-free payments has received certification from the National Payments Corporation of India (NPCI) for its UPI acquiring switch, which has now begun processing transactions. Acquired.com secures £4 MLN to boost digital payments growth. Acquired.com has completed a £4 million funding round with Beachpoint Capital Management. Omnia raises $20 million for more control over spending. Omnia has raised $20 million in Series A funding round to make procurement simpler and provide firms with optimized control over their spending. Identify unveils bank verification tool for customer onboarding. Identify has launched its new bank verification solution aimed at improving customer onboarding by integrating open banking solutions. HashKey Global teams with SumSub to boost KYC and AML. HashKey Global, a regulated digital asset exchange, has partnered SumSub to improve Know Your Customer (KYC) and anti-money laundering (AML) processes. Barclays takes over GM card business from Goldman Sachs. Barclays Bank has snapped up the General Motors card business from current issuer Goldman Sachs. Revolut tops fraud leaderboard by a country mile. The BBC has found that Revolut was named in more reports of fraud in the last financial year than any of the major high street banks. New Zealand banks apply UK tech and experience for rollout of confirmation of payee. Banks in New Zealand have begun the phased rollout of confirmation of payee, using technology supplied by UK Fintech OB Connect. Solaris to lay off a third of workforce. German banking-as-a-service company Solaris is set to lay off a third of its workforce, with the majority of job losses hitting its British subsidiary Conti. Fintech angel fund Rerail hits $20 million funding target. Rerail, an angel fund for fintech startups, has closed on a $20 million war chest. Laberries announces product offering expansion to enhance small business growth. Laberries has announced it is expanding its offerings with a multi-product platform that provides highly personalized financial solutions. Hong Kong plans to rename virtual banks into digital banks. The Hong Kong Monetary Authority, HKMA, has announced its plans to amend the guidelines on virtual banks and rename them to digital banks. Standard Chartered implements straight-to-bank AutoQuote. Standard Chartered has announced the implementation of AutoQuote, a digital request for quote (RFQ) module for its straight-to-bank next-gen digital banking platform. Accountants view AI as an ally, not a competitor. Artificial intelligence has had a dramatic effect across industries in a short time. Thank you for joining us for today's coverage. Remember, you can delve deeper into any story we discussed today by visiting our news section at baypayforum.com. We're here every day, bringing you the critical insights and latest trends across the payments and fintech landscape. Until next time, I'm Lisa, thanking you for watching, and inviting you to join us again tomorrow for more updates. Stay informed, stay ahead.